These were only $12.99. Not a lot of people come to our apartment, but this is very thin, and this is the type of wine. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you guys all my new home decor that I've been loving. If you guys seen my other home decor video, you know by now that I just moved into my first apartment. So with that being said, we're decorating every single week, every single month there's something new. We're still not done. I finally have a full set of furniture. If you watch the vlogs, you know what the issue with that has been, and the pandemic and us being undecisive didn't help at all. But we finally have furniture, which I'll go ahead and show you guys at the end, the couches that we have. So continue to watch this video if you are into home decor and you want to see everything that I've been loving. Also, if you enjoy these videos, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. And let's jump into the video. We're gonna go ahead and jump in and start. First, we're gonna go ahead and have some coffee. I want to show you guys my cup. Now, this is not home decor, but how cute is my Dior cup? My friend made this cup for me. I'll leave her Instagram here. She does a bunch of fun, cute little cups like this. I sent her the idea. I seen it on Instagram, but it was a different color and I really wanted this black. This looks super awesome. I think it's so cute. I'm also vlogging today, so I show you guys the type of coffee that I like and how I make my coffee. You go back to my channel and that vlog should be up as well. Now let's jump into home decor. I have quite a few things. This is the second time I actually record this video because the first time I really didn't like how the footage came out. It was hot that day. I was busy. Today I have all the time in the world. So let's jump in to the first thing. I want to show you guys the first item, and it's this cute double glass mug that I found at Marshall's. These were only $12.99. I found them at Marshall's and it came in a set of 2. Now they had different sizes. These are the barista cups, but this is a double glass mug and I really like it. I chose this one because it's pretty big. I love big coffee cups and this is the perfect size, and then the handle is just super pretty. Really aesthetic when you make your coffee and you have your foam and you put whipped cream and you put cinnamon and then you can see the color of the coffee. I don't know, but I like that. It's super cute. Or even for tea, you're able to like see what's inside the cup. That's cute, very inexpensive. It feels really thick as well. And I've been loving these. Now, to stay on top of the cup department, I really like wine. I love to drink wine when I'm cooking. I love to offer wine when somebody comes, which not a lot of people come to our apartment, but still, I like to have cute wine glasses. And I had been looking for something like this. I'm sure you guys could see the shape. Something big, something very wide in the bottom. These I found at Marshall's as well. Target didn't really have anything like this, and I've been looking and looking. Now these were only $12.99 and 4 of them came in the set. One of them already broke. So one of the things about these wine glasses is that even though they were $12.99 for a set of 4, this is very thin, and I knew that when I got them, but honestly we had just moved in. I was looking for a style like this, so I didn't mind the price and I didn't mind the quality. But just keep in mind that if you buy something like this, they're gonna break really fast. I already broke one. I think I was just cleaning it or it fell. The glass is very thin. So when I do move out from here and I repurchase any wine glasses, I'm gonna go to CB2. I saw that they have these and I think it's very important to spend a little bit more for something that you're going to use a lot. I use them a lot because I like to drink a little bit of wine when I'm cooking or when we're doing, or when we're just hanging out. So if it's something that you're going to use a lot, might as well spend a little bit more on it. And that's something that I've been learning. You have to do like a trial and error with these things, but I mean, just for something simple and quick, these were worth it. Also too, the shape of it is very big, so you probably want to buy these and see if you really like the shape and if you drink a lot of wine, and just play around with it. And when you find something that you like, you can go somewhere else and spend a little bit more, if that makes any sense. So another thing has to be, I was telling you guys that I really like wine, and one of the things that we were having trouble with were the toppers. I had some other toppers that I bought at Target, and they were very simple. They kept the pressure in the top, so they sealed the wine and they had pressure so the wine could stay fresh. But I wanted something that was going to be more to pour and seal this. So this is the Rabbit Stopper, wine stopper. I found these on Amazon and it came in a set of 2. I have a wine here as an example. This is from Trader Joe's. It's one of our favorite wines. It's a red wine, super good, and this is the type of wine. You can only find it at Trader Joe's because I haven't found it anywhere else. But the point is the stopper here. This one's really good because it has a little switch here. If you open it up, you can pour the wine out or you can have it closed. You don't have to remove this at all. And if you always have wine bottles that are open like we do, I really recommend these. I think they were only $10 for both of them. Super inexpensive and very convenient. They're very sealed here, but then it gives you an easy access to pour this if you want to go ahead and serve yourself some wine. So the Rabbit wine stoppers are very good. I definitely recommend those. Another thing that I recently bought was this Lazy Susan tray from Target. I really like the color, and I have this in my kitchen with knife set, oils, and all my spoons, and I really like this. You can also put it like in your pantry. You could put it on your island of your kitchen. This was only $9, I believe, or $12. It's a very good size, and then it helps you have everything organized on top of your counter so it doesn't look messy. These are super cute, and they had different colors on those too. And something that I have on top of that has to be, I have all my spoons on top of the Lazy Susan, but this is the flower vase that I have them in. I found this at Living Spaces when we went to look for couches. This was only $7, and I initially bought it for flowers, but when I saw it, I thought it fit perfect for my spoons or my glass straws that I have in the kitchen. So this is something too. Living Spaces has good home decor, but this was the perfect size, and I really like the color. They have a lot of home decor stuff there, and it's nice to have vases like this because you can do either or. You can put in your utensils or flowers or any arrangements and play around with them. So that goes on top of the Lazy Susan. The next thing that I'm going to show you guys has to be one of my favorite things. Too bad we're already going into summer, but for winter I really enjoy having warm coffee, and I like my coffee to always stay hot. I actually purchased this one from Marshall's. This was only $5, and what it is a coffee warmer, right? So it has 3 settings, low, high, and then on and off here. This really keeps your coffee really hot, but the only thing is that you cannot use the double glass mugs. Obviously, for obvious reasons, it's double glass. This will never get hot, but you could use ceramic mugs. This is awesome. You could even have this at work and leave it in your desk, and you could turn it on and off to have your coffee hot all the time at work. You can have it in your office at home. You could have it at home. The nice thing is I could plug it in wherever, if I'm in the living room, if we're in the kitchen. This has been a great purchase. It was only $5, and honestly, it keeps the coffee hot all the time, especially when I serve myself coffee and then I have to clean. I like it to stay hot before I finish cleaning. The next thing has to be my wax warmers. I have one that plugs into the wall. This one's, both of them are actually from Target. You can find them on Amazon as well. I have a lavender one here, and I have a guayaba scent one here. I have this one in the kitchen because if you've seen my vlogs, I hate the smell of food, especially when you're done cooking or when you take out the trash. The smell of food I hate it. So I wanted to have a wax warmer there so I can always have it on, and it smells like whatever scent I put in it. It looks great here, but when you turn it on, it goes a little bit more clear because there's a light bulb here. But I picked the gray because most of the home decor is gray either way, but I really like it. This was $15. This was $10. Now the wall plug goes in my restroom. Obviously you can put these wherever you like. This is nice because it has a little light when you turn it on, so you don't really have to turn on all the light in the restroom. Sometimes I leave this on for a few minutes as well, and it helps with the restroom to smell good, and then the other one for the kitchen. So if you like candles I would say, you know, try the wax warmers. They're really good. They make your house smell super good, and they are really cheap. The wax at Target is, the container is $1.99 for 6 little squares. You can find wax from different brands on Amazon. You can find them in department stores. We are almost done with the video. This is not a home decor piece, but I still wanted to add it to the video because we always get a lot of people giving us compliment for this, and I think that everybody should order these on Amazon. These are the bags that we use to bring our groceries in. I've shared them in a lot of vlogs. This is actually, so you could go ahead and close it. Once you open it, it has a little tab here. You bring it down and it makes it into a square. The set came in a set of 2, so I got 2 for $20, and it lets you organize everything in here. I'll show you guys. I have a kombucha here, I have a water bottle, and we can throw in something else, and it lets you organize like all, well, now you guys can't see it. I organize stuff and now you guys can't see it. I'll just put a picture here. I'll show you guys how it looks with everything, but it's nice because you can organize all your groceries here. And I'm telling you guys, every time we take them anywhere, everybody always gives us a compliment for these bags, and everybody loves them. I take them to Target, I take them everywhere I go, so I don't purchase bags, or I don't use the plastic bags, and we use these reusable ones. They are super good. Now, the next thing has to be the plant behind me. This plant, I wanted to add something green or a pop of color to the living room. This plant actually goes in the living room, and I'm gonna show you guys up close. The plant itself is from Target, and it comes in a white vase. This plant was $30, and I'll put it here so you guys can see it. And these are banana leaves. It's fake, so I didn't mind spending the $30 because I didn't want anything real. I actually don't want any real plants in here. I don't know how to take care of plants, and I don't have the time or patience to take care of them, honestly. So I rather have fake plants because they look so pretty, and then you can play around with them. They don't need a lot of attention. They don't need water. But I didn't really like the white vase. I think it depends where I put it, or I move it next time. Maybe I'll leave the white vase. But it looks very simple like this. I ended up finding this plant vase on Amazon. I got the smallest size because obviously my plant is not that big. And this was only $12 on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. But this is a little vase that I found, and it looks so much better with the vase. Like that. I think it looks so much better. I think it looks better with the vase like that, and it matches my living room. Next, I'm going to show you guys our couches, and I'm also going to show you guys the lamp that we have in the living room that is also home decor. But before we switch to that, I want to show you guys the new pillows that I got for my living room. These pillows, I just purchased them. I actually found the pillows at Ross. These are 20 by 20 pillows. They came in a set of 2. I ended up getting 2 of those sets, so I got 4 in total. Each set was $16.99. Ross was the place that I found the cheapest pillows. Bath and Body Works had like $20 sets. Target has each pillow for $20. So definitely go to different department stores before you purchase them. And then of course everywhere has different patterns, but this is the pattern that we went with. I want to incorporate a little bit of black into the living room, but I think I'm gonna buy a different color just for spring and summer so we can have a pop of color. So now let's jump into showing you guys the couches that we ended up getting and the lamp that I have in the living room to finish off the video. Okay, so these are the couches that we ended up going with. The gray ones, I have to take out the other 2 pillows from the bag. I just recently got them, so I have to cut up the tags and put it over here. Let me remove the light here so you guys can see them. These are from Living Spaces, and together they were over $1,000, and then the pillows were $16 each. And then I have the plant over there, and then this light here, it's a big lamp that we got from not Target, IKEA. The lamp itself, I think it was $40, $50, I think, and it's black because we're gonna add black to the living room a little bit. And then we just need coffee table right here, a round coffee table, and then a side table here in front of the plant. I don't know if the plant's gonna stay there or it's gonna come here next to the couch, but these are the couches. They are light gray. And they are very fresh. They're not too warm or too cold. I think they're perfect for all year round. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this home decor video that I had for you guys and all of my favorite things that we've purchased so far. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget also to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.